Hello guys, welcome back to a small Canadian beekeeper. Just got in the last 2 days a foot of snow, or even more than that. I think a foot and a half of snow. We'll go check the two hives that I have at my friend's orchard. I'm pretty sure they're under the snow. We'll uncover them at least at the front entrance. We'll plow the front entrance and make sure there's no obstruction. But you guys leave me some feedback if I'm doing the right thing or not by plowing the front entrance. Or should I just leave them under snow and just make sure that the top entrance is clear? So you guys leave me some feedback. I'll go put on my snowshoes and we'll head to those two hives. So here's my friend's orchard, full of fruit trees, apple trees, pear trees, plums, everything you can think about. He has on his woodlot here. So my hives are way over there behind a small hill, right in back of those two fruit trees that you see over there. So we'll get over there and see how the hives are doing under the snow. I think total snow right now is almost 3 feet, or even 4 with the last snow we got yesterday. So we'll get in there. They're right behind the little hill right here. I'm starting to see them right now. See the top of the hives. So about they're 3 to 5 inches, this one from the top entrance. That one a little bit more, 6 inches. So what I'll do is I'll shovel all the snow in front of the entrance, and we'll take a look afterwards if they're still alive. Okay, just shoveled both hives. Left the snow around and behind and on top. Just shoveled the entrance. So this, like I was mentioning, this is the two hives in my friend's orchard. so just you guys leave a comment if I'm doing the right thing to remove the snow in front of the entrance. The top, like I was mentioning, the top entrance was clear. The hive on the left, there was even some bees coming out. Listen to both of them. This was the one on the right, and then one just came out. Probably you'll see her in the snow right there. She's moving. The one on the right, the bottom entrance is a little bit not plugged but full of dead bees, but both of them are alive. So we're February the 8th. So far so good. Oh geez, I don't know what's wrong with that one, but everybody's coming out. I'll zoom in. It's not a time for them to come out. They'll freeze. So what I'll do is we'll head up toward the 3 hives in the forest. Take a look at those 3 hives, see how they are, and we'll go from there. So right now we're in the forest on my woodlot, 300-acre woodlot, where I have 3 of my hives and where I do a lot of my splits. We'll go see those. It's going to be a bit of more a workout where I was at the orchard. It's a longer ways from the main road. Still got my snowshoes, gloves and shovel, so I'm ready to go. So come with me and we'll have a chat on the way going down on the pluses and minuses of doing what I'm doing right now, clearing the front entrance. So let's head out in the woods. Here too, there's around, I think, total 4 feet of snow on the ground. I made myself a trail a couple of weeks ago, snowshoe trail, so it was compact and hard, so it was easy to go to the hives. But now with the 1.5 foot, or probably even more here, a bit harder to get to the hives. So probably you guys are deducting already one or some of the minuses and pluses or advantages of cleaning the front entrance of a hive is accessibility. So since the 3 hives are pretty far from the main road, and there's 4 feet of snow, can be quite a workout to head to the hives. For me, I don't mind. I spend my life in the woods, working in the woods, so it keeps me in shape. But probably for others, I'm gonna have a harder time. The thing is, well, I take the time to go and clean the entrance or shovel the snow in front of the main entrance is to help with the aeration and give them a better chance of survival. I'm ongoing in my 3rd year of beekeeping. I'm just wondering, am I doing the right thing? Doing all this work? Is it worth going down there to each of the hives and cleaning them up? Or they would have a better survival just leaving the snow in front and as acting as an insulation. Couple of questions I'm asking myself. So like I was mentioning, minuses are walking through the deep snow to go over there each time. Advantage, I think, would be better success of the hives with the aeration. If they want to come up from the bottom, at least they have an access. I don't know if taking the snow out of the front entrance or when it's covered in snow, if it reduces the factor of insulation. All my hives are insulated with 2 inches of foam and tar paper around it, and I'll leave the snow during the winter all around and on top, because it's I think it's a better factor of insulation, gives a better factor of insulation. Probably just like nature when they're in the wild. So other advantages when I'm going over there cleaning the front entrance and the top entrance is I see when the bees are coming out. I see dead bees on top of the white snow. So it gives me assurance that the hive is alive. Or each time I go over there too to clean the entrance, I put my ear just in front or on top of the top entrance, and I heard them buzz. So it's giving me hope that they're still alive. So we'll go in a couple of 100 more meters, and we'll try to get to the hives and start shoveling. As I can see, she's pretty deep. So it's quite a workout. But walking in the nature and getting out of the city is one of the best advantage, or it's best for your health. Breathing clean air, making you think of anything else but what's going on in the city. So we're getting there. I don't know if you can see in the snow, there's some section where I'm walking right now, it's a little bit deeper, or there's a snow indented. That's where my trail was before. Well, right now, with the 1.5 foot or even more of snow that we got, she's full. Like I mentioned on the other beekeeping video I made, I have 11 hives, and they're all alive right now. My plan this year would be again to multiply. Hopefully, I'd like to try to get to at least 20 for the 3rd year. But like with the 2nd year, would be from my own bees. So multiplying with my own bees. So before they start swarming, capture the queen, make another hive, do some walkaway splits, and I think I want to do some queen rearing this year. It's going to be a new challenge. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's going to be a success, but we'll never know if I don't try. Some people tell me that you need a lot of hives to do queen rearing. Well, we'll see. We'll try with what I got, and I think if I can, I'll try to do some queen rearing with nukes instead of doing it with a full 10 frame box. I'll try to do it with the full 5 frame box. Need somewhat less bees, but we'll see. Never know if we don't try, eh? Now, when we'll get to there, I'll bring you along. So that's why with the 11 hives, I'm hoping that they're all going to be alive. On top of all of them, I've put some sugar brick, or what some call candy board. So they have one of them on all the hives. Also, there's some burlap on top, just to absorb the humidity, so it doesn't fall on the bees. So what I'll do, I'll shut the video here. Still have a ways to go, and
start back over when we get to the hive. Okay, here I just arrived to the 3 hives. Like the orchard, they're in the snow. For the last 2 years I tried something different. Probably you're noticing it, or you notice it in the other videos. I have 2 facing south, so you can't see the entrance. 1 facing north. Just to compare during the spring and winter with the quantity of bees that are in it. Is there more bees? Do they have more success? I know probably they have more success facing north because the sun and the heat and all that. We'll see this year. Last year she was good. I even did with splits with them. Probably this year we'll see. If they're not good, I'll switch them back to for the front entrance for the north, having the north side facing the front entrance. So I'll start plowing them, and we'll take a look how she looks afterwards. workout. So all the 3 hives here are alive. 2, or probably you'll see it better this way. 2 of the 3 hives had bees in front, and one of them didn't have any, but I put my ear on the side and they were humming. So here, geez, there's more snow here than in the city. I think when I dug it deep, as you can see, this one here, she was almost 4 feet high. So that's pretty much it. All the hives are cleared of snow, and it's starting snowing right now. Hopefully we won't get a storm again, because one time coming here per week is quite a workout. No, but it's fun. It's a pleasure doing it here and coming here. So we'll be heading back to the truck. So I'm waiting for some feedback from you guys, telling me if I'm doing the right thing, or should I leave them alone and just come less often to see if the top entrance is clear or not. So leave me a comment, subscribe, and hit the like button. So I'll be posting more videos coming in the near future. So, like I'm mentioning always in the other comments, or the other videos I mean, take care of your bees, and they'll take care of you.